In this tutorial, I will show you how you can upload more videos on your existing playlist. Please like and subscribe. Let's start. For that reason, you have to log in your account. From the top right, click on your channel logo. You can go to view your channel. Then click on the fourth tab, which named Playlists. So you will see your all created playlist, like here. For this CapCut playlist, I will click this playlist. This will open this new page, and then you see there is a plus buttons icon and it says add videos. This is already existing YouTube playlist. I already have a video how to make your new playlist. So you can see from the link, click on here. So you will see all the videos currently you have and how to make rectangular crop video. On CapCut tutorial, click on this add videos and you see one selected on bottom left corner. So you see this video is now on top. And if you want to make sure this video is on here, so you can go on left side and click on playlist. And you see CapCut tutorials view full playlist. This video is here. If you like this video content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.